Have you ever done everything right? Eaten cleaner, cut the junk, drank more water, and your digestion still feels completely off? Bloating after meals, sluggish mornings, bathroom visits that are anything but regular. You are not imagining it, and it is not your fault. That is exactly why so many people have been searching for answers. And today, we are taking a close, honest look at a supplement called Finessa. What it is, what is inside it, whether it is actually worth buying, and everything you need to know before you spend your money. Before we get into it, if you are finding this useful, hit subscribe and drop a comment below with your biggest digestive concern. We read every single one. So what exactly is Finessa? It is a powdered supplement you mix into water or any drink each morning. What makes it stand out from a basic probiotic or fiber powder is its focus on something called the gut-liver axis. Now let's talk about what that actually means. Think of the gut-liver axis as a two-way communication highway between your gut and your liver. Your gut breaks down food and signals your liver. Your liver produces bile, the fluid your body uses to break down fats and keep digestion moving smoothly. When this system falls out of balance, the result is exactly what many people experience: bloating, constipation, low energy, and weight that simply will not shift no matter what you do. Here is where it gets interesting. Finessa targets this entire gut-liver system in one daily scoop. Inside every serving, you will find a blend of natural, research-backed ingredients. Milk thistle supports healthy bile production in the liver, which directly helps break down fats and improve digestive regularity. Dandelion extract acts as a prebiotic fiber, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut and supporting smooth bowel movements. Cascara sagrada has been used for centuries to gently stimulate the intestines and encourage your body's natural digestive rhythm. Turmeric calms gut irritation and has been shown in recent studies to support smoother stool transit. And a probiotic blend works to rebalance your gut microbiome, which is the foundation of healthy digestion, steady energy, and even your mood. Now, let's be realistic. These are well-studied natural ingredients, but they are not overnight solutions. They work best with consistent daily use over several weeks. Beyond the core gut support, Finessa also includes a metabolism-supporting blend, green tea, EGCG, ashwagandha, ginger, cinnamon, and inulin, designed to support healthy energy levels, reduce cravings, and help keep blood sugar balanced throughout the day. Now here is where using Finessa gets simple. You take one scoop, mix it into water or your morning drink, and you are done. No capsules, no complicated timing, no strict dietary changes required alongside it. Who is this best for? It may be best for people who experience regular bloating or occasional constipation. Those who want digestive support combined with metabolism help in a single daily step. And anyone looking for a natural supplement without harsh stimulants or chemical laxatives. Results can vary from person to person. Finessa is not a replacement for a healthy lifestyle. It is designed to work alongside one. If you are considering trying Finessa, here is the purchasing information you need before buying. Finessa is only available through the official website. That link is in the description below. Ordering 3 or 6 bottles includes free shipping and 3 bonus digital guides: an anti-aging superfoods guide, a meal timing method guide called Cheat Your Way Slim, and a detox smoothie recipe book specifically designed to support gut health. Most importantly, Finessa is backed by a 180-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That is 6 full months to try it completely risk-free. If you are not satisfied, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. So what is the final verdict on Finessa? Overall, it looks like a convenient, well-formulated supplement for people who want digestive support that goes beyond a basic probiotic. Specifically because it targets both the gut and the liver together, rather than addressing just one side of the equation. My final opinion: it is worth checking out if you want smoother digestion, more consistent energy, and a simple daily routine that supports both your gut and your metabolism. Keep your expectations realistic and use it alongside a healthy lifestyle. For more details and the official link, check the description below. And if you want to see how another top gut health supplement compares, watch this video next. The ingredient difference might surprise you.